After seeing the cars by Sync Talon's production, we finally understand why this car can be called the king of transport. With the KT Bill 797F, it weighed 277 tons, while the largest was over 400 tons. It was an impressive transport vehicle with a strong BiSync system. Look at this massive BiSync. The BiSync in the car weighs up to half a ton. Next, let's see how the BiSync ends of the cars by Sync Talon are made. Entering the processing room, the robot arm pulled a red component, known as the gangbang. This gangbang is essential for the cars by Sync Talon. Regular steel is combined with a specialized metal called Geffen, which has high tensile strength, high resistance, and fatigue resistance. This metal is usually found in aviation and high-end automotive fields. A professional bending device is necessary to manipulate the Geffen metal accurately, and this device is operated by DES. Only a few can create the precise bends required for a car's framework. The bending device is calibrated and starts its operation. The Geffen metal, in a malleable state, wraps around the bending axis as the equipment moves. With each turn, the surface of the metal becomes more refined, ultimately forming a smooth-shaped talon. High-density mechanisms provide significant benefits. They make production easier and increase power. To create such a massive mechanism, a car tanker mechanism, only 2 or 3 functions are necessary. I have to say, the small DES is indeed the mechanism's name. Soon, the mechanism is fully operational. It quickly aligns with the car-to event. This component remains solid during the process. The car-to event takes about 10 minutes. When controlled, the wheels start to rotate in the opposite direction, and the large car-to event moves slowly forward, gradually aligning with the car-to event platform. At this moment, it's like a fresh dish from Tianjin Da Mahua, full of promise and ready to take a bite. Tanwang for the fire and use specialized tools. The crock car's Tanwang will be transferred to the furnace. Before this, we will first measure the temperature. When it reaches the appropriate range, the crock will be in the furnace, fully prepared. If you had such a Tanwang, what would you do with it?